Hi, boys and girls. Mr. Carl here with another tutorial. Today we are going to be learning about the digestive system and its main parts. So that is the goal of today. I want you to pay attention to this animation. As you can see, there are different parts that make up the digestive system. Different parts working together makes a system. I want you to get your notebook ready and you're going to follow along and write the notes in your notebook. The first thing I need for you to do is to draw a graphic organizer that looks like mine. I'm going to draw the graphic organizer, and in the middle I want you to write digestive system. I'm going to move rather quick as I take my notes, but this is a tutorial. You have the option to pause the video anytime and write the notes, especially if I'm going too fast. Okay, so in the middle, go ahead and put digestive system. All right, and in this corner right here, we're going to write main function. And the main function of the digestive system is to break down food. I'm going to put a star because that's very important. Main function is to break down food. Break it down into what? Into nutrients, so your cells can have energy. So digestive system breaks down food into nutrients. All right, then let's just draw a little illustration so that we can have a picture connected to the fact. So for me, I see a bunch of little pieces of stuff lying around that represent being broken down into smaller pieces. And what I see in my brain, like if someone were to smash it with a ginormous hammer, then this is going to represent something being broken down into smaller pieces, because that's what is the digestive system does, breaks down food into nutrients. Next, we are going to talk about each part. The first part is your mouth. That is part of the digestive system, and this, you should know what is the function of the mouth. The main function of the mouth is the mouth allows us to chew and swallow food. I'm not writing complete sentences, we just need some quick notes. Next, I have the esophagus. The main function of the esophagus is like a pipe that connects the mouth to the stomach. So the esophagus connects the mouth to the stomach. Number 3, the stomach. The stomach main function is to mix all the food. It mixes food with stomach chemicals. And we will learn later what those chemicals are. All right, follow along. Number 4. Number 4, we have the small intestine. And the small intestine main job is to absorb all the nutrients that are coming from the stomach. At this time, the food has been broken down so much into smaller pieces that it can now be used by the cells in the body. The small intestine absorbs nutrients. So once the food has been broken down into microscopic pieces, it's called nutrients. And once they are in that size, the cells can use the food as energy. So it has absorbed nutrients, and then it sends those nutrients to the blood. And the blood carries those nutrients throughout the body. Last one, the last main part of the digestive system is the large intestine. And the large intestine main job is to removes all the waste, all the leftovers that the body cannot use. It will remove those. And then it also dries all the waste. It kind of dries them out. All the extra water and chemicals get absorbed there for the last time. This is all the notes for the digestive system. We will summarize quickly. So in this animation, you would see the mouth. The mouth then is followed by the esophagus. Connects the mouth. The esophagus, you go to the stomach. From the stomach, you go to the small intestine. And then from the small intestine, you get the large intestine. And those are the main parts of the digestive system. And the word system, as I mentioned earlier, means that there are different parts working together. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one.